Words are not mere sounds, they are the building blocks of your destiny. Neville Goddard. When you engage in self-talk, you are not merely conversing with yourself. You are actively shaping your reality. The way you talk to yourself profoundly influences the way your life unfolds. This principle is not just about maintaining a positive mindset. It's about aligning your inner dialogue with the reality you wish to experience. The essence of this concept lies in understanding that the words you use with yourself are powerful tools of creation. They are not passive reflections but active forces that mold your external experiences. When you consciously choose to speak to yourself in a manner that reflects your desired state, you set in motion the events that will lead to its manifestation. To begin, recognize that your self-talk acts as a blueprint for your life. The narratives you create and repeat internally lay the groundwork for your experiences. If your internal dialogue is filled with doubt, criticism, and negativity, you are unknowingly inviting these elements into your life. Conversely, when you speak to yourself with encouragement, positivity, and conviction, you are reinforcing the conditions necessary for your aspirations to come to fruition. This concept hinges on the understanding that every word and thought carries energy that influences your personal reality. By adopting a constructive and affirmative inner dialogue, you align yourself with the frequency of your desires. Imagine for a moment that your self-talk is akin to planting seeds in a garden. Each thought and word you nurture in your mind will eventually grow into the experiences of your life. If you plant seeds of self-doubt and limitation, you will reap a harvest of obstacles and setbacks. However, if you plant seeds of confidence, success, and abundance, you cultivate a reality where these qualities flourish. The key lies in consistency and intentionality. Just as a gardener tends to their plants regularly, you must consistently reinforce positive affirmations and constructive self-talk to manifest the reality you envision. Moreover, it's essential to understand that the process of positive self-talk involves more than simply repeating affirmations. It requires embodying the essence of what you wish to achieve. This means feeling the emotions associated with your desired state and genuinely believing in your own power to manifest it. For instance, if you desire financial abundance, your self-talk should not only reflect this desire but should also evoke feelings of prosperity and security. By immersing yourself in these emotions, you align your entire being with the vibration of abundance, thereby attracting it into your life. In practice, begin by identifying the areas of your life where you wish to see change. Observe your current self-talk patterns and note any negative or limiting beliefs that may be present. Replace these with positive, affirming statements that reflect the reality you wish to create. For example, if you struggle with self-doubt, shift your inner dialogue to affirmations of confidence and capability. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I am fully capable and deserving of success." This shift in language not only changes your mindset but also sets the stage for your external reality to shift in accordance with your new beliefs. It's also important to engage in this practice with a sense of immediacy and presence. The more vividly you can imagine and emotionally connect with your desired reality during your self-talk, the more effective it will be. Imagine your desired outcome as if it is already happening, and speak to yourself as if you are already living in that reality. This approach helps to bridge the gap between your current state and your desired state, facilitating the manifestation process. In addition to transforming your internal dialogue, remember that your self-talk can be reinforced through external actions. Align your behaviors with the affirmations you are creating internally. For instance, if you are affirming abundance, make choices that reflect this belief, such as managing your finances wisely and investing in opportunities that resonate with your vision. By harmonizing your internal dialogue with your external actions, you create a cohesive and powerful force that drives your desires into reality. When considering the impact of your inner dialogue, it's crucial to understand how deeply it intertwines with the core of your being. Your internal conversations are more than fleeting thoughts, they are profound reflections of your deepest beliefs and emotions. Every time you engage in self-talk, you are reinforcing a mental pattern that either propels you toward your goals or holds you back. This ongoing dialogue shapes not only how you perceive yourself but also how you interact with the world around you. Recognizing this power allows you to consciously shift your self-talk from a source of limitation to a tool for empowerment. The act of speaking to yourself positively is not just about altering your immediate feelings, it's about reprogramming your subconscious mind. This deeper level of consciousness is where your true beliefs reside, influencing how you react to various situations and how you attract opportunities into your life. By embedding positive affirmations and encouraging thoughts into your daily self-talk, you are essentially updating the software of your mind. This process creates new pathways in your brain, allowing for more constructive and supportive responses to challenges and opportunities alike. Consider the analogy of a sculptor working with clay. Your self-talk is like the sculptor's hands, shaping and molding the raw material of your life. The more precise and intentional you are with your words, the more refined and detailed the final result will be. If you allow negative self-talk to dominate, it's like chipping away at the clay with a blunt tool, resulting in a rough and unsatisfactory outcome. Conversely, positive and purposeful self-talk acts like a finely tuned chisel, crafting a masterpiece that aligns with your true potential and aspirations. Another important aspect of this practice is the role of consistency. Just as a sculptor must patiently work on their sculpture over time, you too must consistently reinforce your positive self-talk. This consistency helps to solidify the new mental patterns and beliefs you are establishing. It's not enough to merely engage in positive self-talk sporadically, it needs to become a regular and habitual part of your daily life. This regularity ensures that the new beliefs and affirmations become ingrained in your subconscious, gradually transforming your reality. Moreover, the process of transforming your self-talk into a powerful tool for change also involves addressing and reframing past negative experiences. Often, negative self-talk is rooted in past failures or criticisms that have left deep emotional imprints. By actively working to reframe these experiences and speak to yourself with compassion and understanding, you begin to heal and shift these old patterns. This healing process not only improves your current self-talk but also changes how you view and handle future challenges. Engaging in practices such as visualization can further enhance the effectiveness of positive self-talk. When you visualize your desired outcomes while simultaneously affirming them through positive self-talk, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates manifestation. Visualization helps to vividly imprint your goals and desires into your subconscious mind, while positive affirmations reinforce this vision with consistent, supportive messages. This combination can make your desired reality feel more attainable and real, thus increasing your motivation and action toward achieving it. Incorporating gratitude into your self-talk can also amplify its power. By expressing gratitude for what you already have and for what you are working toward, you align yourself with a positive vibration that attracts more of what you desire. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, reinforcing the belief that you are deserving of your goals and that they are within reach. This practice not only boosts your mood but also strengthens your commitment to positive self-talk and the realization of your aspirations. To maximize the benefits of positive self-talk, integrate these practices into your daily routine. Start each day with affirmations that align with your goals, and use moments of reflection to reinforce these messages. Engage in visualization exercises that complement your affirmations, and maintain a mindset of gratitude. By consistently applying these principles, you harness the full potential of your inner dialogue, creating a life that reflects your deepest desires and highest aspirations. In conclusion, the way you talk to yourself profoundly influences your life's trajectory. By consciously choosing positive, affirming, and supportive language, you align your mental patterns with your goals, reprogram your subconscious mind, and shape your reality. This practice requires consistency, self-compassion, and an understanding of the deep connection between your thoughts and experiences. Through dedicated application of positive self-talk, visualization, and gratitude, you create a powerful synergy that propels you toward the life you envision. If you found value in today's discussion, consider expressing your support by liking this video. Your thumbs up helps others discover this content and benefits those who are seeking to make positive changes in their lives. Also, subscribing to the channel ensures that you won't miss out on future insights and strategies for enhancing your life. Subscribing means you stay connected with ongoing content that aims to inspire and empower you. Feel free to share this video with friends or family who might benefit from these concepts. By spreading the word, you contribute to a ripple effect that can help more people tap into the power of positive self-talk. You can also engage with us in the comments section. Your thoughts and experiences are valuable and contribute to a deeper dialogue on these topics. For those interested in a more personalized approach, consider hitting the notification bell after subscribing. This way, you'll be alerted whenever new content is available, ensuring you stay updated with the latest strategies and insights. Additionally, your comments and questions are always welcome, as they help tailor future content to address your specific interests and concerns. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video and want to support further content creation, consider leaving a review or rating. Your feedback not only helps improve the content but also encourages others to explore these powerful ideas. Sharing your positive experiences can inspire others to take action and implement these techniques in their own lives.